Repite. Sí me gusta el azul. Or you can answer with no me gusta el azul.
We are starting our Spanish program for students to learn the basics of Spanish and getting a head start on a second language.
Hola, hola.
Vamos CFISD is an activity that we offer with Club Rewind. So if you register your kids with Club Rewind, you don't just have to do the before and after school program. We have a 6-week program at different campuses that work hand in hand with the teacher.
We do movement with them, so we get to review Spanish words. They get to learn new Spanish words.
El café. No me gusta el café.
It's a great extracurricular activity because it is after school, it's just 1 hour, and they get to meet new people from different grade levels and learn Spanish as well.
This is a great program for the students to learn the basics of Spanish, and I think it'll really help them in their future.